and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today I'm going to be making my favorite guacamole. You can put this on almost anything, maybe, but I really love it, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is just put my avocados into a bowl. Today I'm using 2, just because I know some other people are going to be snacking on this as well. 6. So the next thing I'm going to add is 2 cloves of garlic that is nice and minced, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped red onion. And then I also have here about 3 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. Now I'm just mashing this together with a fork until it gets that desired consistency. Some people like it more chunky, some people like it smooth. It's up to you on this one. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is just add in a bit of lemon juice. If you prefer lime, you can do that as well. And then also give salt and pepper to taste. And if you guys like it a little bit spicy, you can add in some red chili flakes. Give it a stir, and all that's left to do is try it, which is also the best part. So good. That little spice at the end, and there's nothing really better than chips and guac, is there? Or maybe salsa. So check out my Pico de Gallo recipe listed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know if you like it.